Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Griffy gingers from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the beak. Let's start with a curve for the top, and then another curve out on both sides. And now underneath, let's bring it down to a point. And then hop inside and let's draw two curves for the nostrils. Next, underneath, let's add the mouth. From the sides, let's curve it out. And then from the ends, let's step in and let's draw a curve down and in, meeting in the center. And now inside the mouth, let's draw two curves at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up and let's add the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and back down on the left. And the same thing on the right. And then from the ends, let's curve it back down and in. Next, let's hop inside each eye and let's draw an oval. And then let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. On the sides next to the eyes, let's draw a curve out and back in. And then let's draw two more underneath on both sides. And then at the bottom, let's curve it down and in for the chin. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw a small line across in the center. Then let's curve it up and down on both sides. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the ears on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve going out, and the same on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it in, then another curve out and back in like this. Now let's move inside each ear and let's draw a point up and down. And then a curve up in the center and back down like this on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down, out, and bring it into the center. And the same thing on the other side. Next, on the sides, let's add the wings. At the top, let's draw a curve down and then curve it up. And the same on the other side. And now from the ends, let's bring it down slightly. Now let's draw the next part of the wing with a curve up and back down. Then another longer one. Now two more going downwards. Then underneath, let's draw a small bent line in. One more angle down. And then a wavy line back into the body. And that's it for the wings. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 curves down. Then let's hop out and let's draw a wavy line down from the sides. Now at the bottom, let's add the feet. For the outside line, let's draw a wavy line out and then bring it back in. Now underneath, let's draw a curve going down for the next toe. And then another toe underneath, curving it back in and up to close off the feet. Lastly, inside, let's draw a curve across each of the ankles. And that's it for the body. Now let's add the tail. On the bottom right, let's draw a wavy line out. And the same thing underneath. And then inside at the end, let's step in and let's draw a curve. Now for the end of the tail, let's draw a spike up at the top and one going down at the bottom. Now again from the top, let's draw a curve out and back in. Another one going down. And then 2 more underneath to close it off. And that's it for Griffy Gingers. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!